In this lesson, you will sketch a beam system to frame the entryway roof. Click on the menu browser and select Open Project. Then open the file rstmdl-bs02 sketch. When the file opens, under Structural Plans in the project browser, double-click 02 floor. Then zoom in on the entryway of the structure. We will now set the beam system properties. On the Home tab, Structure panel, click Beam System. Then on the Sketch panel, click Create Sketch. On the Create Beam System Boundary tab, click the Element Panel drop-down and select Beam System Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Constraints, for elevation, type -5 inches. Under Pattern, for Layout Rule, select Fixed Distance. Then, for Fixed Distance, make sure the value is at 6 feet, and for Justification, make sure the value is set to center, and for Beam Type, select W-Wide Flange, W 12 by 26. Then click OK. Next, we will sketch the beam system. On the Draw panel, click Pick Supports. Then, select the beam placed between grids B1.5 and B1.75. The two short lines adjacent to the beam represent the beam system direction. The longitudinal axis of the beam system members will be placed parallel to these lines. Select the remaining beams that form the perimeter of the roof frame as shown. Then, on the Beam System panel, click Finish Beam System. Then, clear the selection, and let's turn off Framing Tag Visibility. Click the View tab on the ribbon, and from the Graphics panel, click Visibility Graphics. In the Visibility Graphic Overrides dialog, click the Annotation Categories tab. Under Visibility, clear the option for Structural Framing Tags. Then click OK. When you do, the tags are hidden from the view. Let's view the beam system in 3D. In the project browser, under 3D Views, double-click 3D. Then, zoom in on the entryway of the structure. Next, let's view the beam system analytical model. Open the Visibility Graphic Overrides dialog again, and on the Model Categories tab, under Visibility, expand Structural Framing, and select Analytical Model, and click OK. Zoom in on the beam system to see the orange lines representing the analytical model. Then, close the file without saving it, as the next lesson provides its own training file. And that concludes this lesson.